How to navigate in Google Maps. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will teach you how you can navigate in Google Maps, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now, navigating on Google Maps is fairly simple, but if you are new to Google Maps then things could be a little bit complicated. The very first thing you have to make sure is that you enable location services on your device, which means allow the GPS access on your device, and make sure the Google Maps app has access to your GPS. Usually whenever you open the Google Maps app, it might ask you for the location access, so you might want to allow the access. Now, if you want to view your current location, you can tap on this little icon over here, which will actually show you your current location in this case. Now, sometimes what happens over here is that, let's just say that you want to navigate from your current place to some other area. In that case, tap the search here button and just search for the area that you want to navigate and then tap on it. Now you can see all the details about that place, and you can tap on directions. Now if you want a vehicle route, you can tap on the vehicle. If you want a air route, you can tap on the air route, which could sometimes not be available, by the way. And if you want a walking route, you can tap the walking route option to actually walk from this distance to that. Now to begin navigating, let's say you're on a vehicle, you can tap the start option here and then just tap on, got it. And now tap on dismiss, and now you can simply begin your navigation. You can simply just go from here and then go right, and it will ask you to turn left. If sometimes you rotate it too much, what happens is that you lose track of the direction. In that case, you can tap on recenter to recenter the direction. For the first few times it's actually going to get a bit difficult like I had, but when you get the used to it, it's actually going to work just fine for you. So hope this video helped you as to how you can navigate Google Maps. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end, and see you soon in the next video.